gosh.
Yeah.
This is the green tree.
Inn and suites.
Inn
60.
and
They have
suites.
60 rooms.
There is standard room here.
Hotel room, nothing fancy.
140 a night.
Expensive.
Yep, it's so expensive. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
And today we're heading to downtown LA.
It's got numbers on it though. The police.
Could be
Police.
an airport. Right?
Could be. Could be a taxi.
Show you what's look like downtown LA here, guys.
You think this is taxi.
Exit 20
What are Jay?
Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard toward Exposition Park.
Okay,
Get
let's
lost.
go. There is
450 feet.
Continue straight to stay on South Main Street, then turn right onto East 21st Street.
21st.
East
There
21st
is.
Street, then turn
Police.
downtown LA. There is. Oh my goodness,
Oh, there was
it's
an
crush.
accident.
Head northeast on South Main Street toward East Washington Boulevard. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto East 18th Street.
Hey guys, we driving here in, what's this called? The hotel, honey?
Green Tree Inn.
Ah, okay.
Remember which one we came from? This way.
Yeah. This the highway. Oh, have a Walgreens there next door. It's nighttime now.
Donuts.
Yep.
Mexican food.
We're going to McDonald's. RJ have no burger. He want McDonald's burger.
How many you want to get?
What?
How many burger?
Round about. It's 8:60 now here
Why
PM.
you go here?
This is it.
Alhambra.
Alhambra.
Why Jack in the Box? I see it.
Oh, Jack in the Box. There's Jack in the Box and the McDonald's. Where's the McDonald's?
There it is.
Oh, there he is. Found RJ. McDonald's.
If we see Jack in the Box, that means McDonald's is by.
We go home now to hotel. Hotel. There is.
That's why I should took this room.
We done buy a McDonald's for RJ. And here he is.
We got
McDonald's.
something. We got something.
So dark, cannot
We
see.
got Big Mac. Yes.
Here.
Came out of Super.
That's
Oh,
not where we
before
went.
that.
That was before. I'm
Yeah.
looking now.
That's where we came out.
We came into that back.
Yeah.
It's the next light. This light right up here.
Yeah.
Look at all the cars in the street.
You have some.
These are like condos with no garage.
Yeah.
That'd be a nightmare part of them carrying your groceries.
There is the Walgreens.
Right next to Wolf.
Yep. There is RJ.
Kind for you, green tree.
This is the green tree.
Inn and suites.
Inn
60.
and
They have
suites.
60 rooms.
There is.
I asked how many rooms. 60.
There is. Ah, look like owner this honey is.
That spot was taken right away. That was
It's
primo.
Chinese honey.
That was a primo spot.
Yeah. Here guys, I want to show you the room. Let's go. Go inside. We're in lobby. Lobby. is nice. There it is. Look at this elevator. Have plants. Third floor. Up, up. Boom.
You brought the toilet duplicate?
There it is. Okay, ready. Pin again. Try. Oh, okay. There it is. And the luggage. Where's the light, RJ? Have no light, RJ. Look. What's that, honey?
Open the door.
Oh, you pushed that.
I push.
What you pushed up? The doorbell?
I think it's light. Where's the light?
Light by the rim.
Oh, I
That's like
scared.
emergency.
I scared of the RJ. I think
Look,
was.
what does it say? Emergency?
I don't know.
Please flashing red.
No, here I.
At this, wait a minute.
There. Don't disturb. Stop
Makeup room.
it. Makeup.
The doorbell rang when you did that?
Yeah.
Go off now.
This is the guy. Yeah, this one or this one.
Okay. Okay, that too, RJ.
What do you want to use? You got food?
But use this coal.
And there he is. When you go in, that you can see the coffee and the bucket to get our ice and cups. Is what? Yeah.
Why is it in the fridge?
Yeah, if we just put that there.
You think that's there?
Yeah. And here is
Oh, you grabbed
the
out of there?
yeah.
Oh.
There's the hanger and iron there.
And you grabbed it out.
RJ, mute RJ. Copyright. Okay guys, I gave you a tour in tonight's room. Okay, just lower RJ. And here's the luggage. Here. So windy. Have free snacks here and water free. Have a cookie free.
We have no napkin for you.
And
Bring the
that's
paper
the
towel.
drawer. And here's the
this.
refrigerator, mini ref. There is
We had
only
them.
one free water.
You see through?
And there's our dinner.
Open. Open.
I don't want to.
And here's a tub.
No, she's here.
Have a chair there. Daddy sit. And that's it. The bed. Have two bed.
The standard room.
The standard room here.
Hotel room, nothing fancy.
140 a night.
Expensive.
Yep, it's so expensive. 40 per night, honey?
Plus taxes and fees.
Yeah.
The cheapest in the area. Everything was $200, $300, and $400.
Yeah. per night, 140. So expensive here in California. And have free flip-flop. What's this?
You.
Have two. And have a telephone. Time is 9:09 now in the evening.
I want to eat.
Can you turn the volume on?
Okay. And I go here in the bathroom. Here it is. Have a cup and
Timmy the girl.
have a, this is hand soap in 3N. And then have this. And there is the mirror. Hi, it's me. And there is the sink. And have other body lotion there. And there is the towel. And have free toothbrush. And have other mirror there. And here is the toilet. And the bathtub. Here is the bathtub. And have other here. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There is the shower. And that's it, guys. Only this I can show you. And have other the towel. Okay guys, that's it for today. And see you next time. Bye-bye.